If you are trying to choose between the Google Data Analysis with Python Specialization on Coursera, the Intro to Data Science Fluency course on Udacity, and the HarvardX Data Science Professional Certificate on edX, the real question is simple. Which one should you start if you want practical data skills and a clear learning direction? In this comparison, I will help you understand the skills each course teaches, the tools included, how difficult each one feels, how much weekly effort they need, and which one fits your situation best. Let us begin with the Google Data Analysis with Python Specialization on Coursera, offered through Google Career Certificates. This program teaches how to work with datasets using Python. You learn programming basics like loops and functions, then move into data cleaning, analysis, and interpretation using pandas, and NumPy inside notebook-style environments. The skill level required here is beginner level. The expected weekly learning effort is roughly about 3 hours per week. This course is a strong choice if you want a structured entry into Python-based analytics. Workflows. You may prefer another pathway first if your goal is deeper statistics or modeling using R. Next is the Intro to Data Science Fluency course on Udacity. This course explains how data science works as a process. It introduces summary statistics, regression basics, and the CRIS 500 workflow used in real analytics projects. The skill level required here is beginner level. The total learning effort is around 6 hours for the complete course. This course is especially useful if you are still deciding whether data science is the right path. Direction for you. You may not benefit as much from it if you are ready to begin hands-on programming already. Now let us look at the HarvardX Data Science Professional Certificate on edX. This program introduces R programming, probability concepts, visualization techniques, and regression modeling using real data sets. It also teaches tools like ggplot2, dplyr, and reproducible analysis workflows. The skill level required here begins at beginner level, but gradually moves toward intermediate statistical understanding. The expected weekly learning effort is usually around 2 to 3 hours per week across the hours. Certificate pathway. This course is a strong choice if you are interested in statistical foundations using R. You may prefer another option if your goal is Python-first analytics. Workflows used widely in entry-level roles. If you are completely new to analytics, the Google Specialization stands out as the most structured starting pathway. If you are still exploring whether this field fits you, the Udacity course is the easiest first step. If you are interested in statistical thinking and R-based modeling, the HarvardX certificate becomes the stronger academic route. Based on what these programs teach, they can realistically support roles such as data analyst, analytics associate, junior data scientist, and research data assistant roles. Following one structured certificate pathway usually helps learners progress faster than combining scattered tutorials. If you are starting from zero, you want a safe structured entry into analytics. The strongest choice is the Google Data Analysis with Python Specialization on Coursera. This comparison is especially helpful for learners planning their first structured step into data analytics certification. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.